大家好. In the video today, you will listen to two conversations taking place at a cafe. From the conversations, you will learn essential Chinese grammar points, such as how to use the Chinese word "gang" and the meaning of Chinese expressions 好不到哪里去, etc. Let us get started.
嘿，小明，我在这里。
不好意思，迟到了，等很久了吧？
没有，我也是刚到。
那就好。你要喝什么？我帮你叫。那就好。你要喝什么？我帮你点。
来一杯美式咖啡，加点豆奶。
好的。要来块蛋糕吗？
蛋糕就不必了，我不太爱吃甜食。
是吗？我和你恰恰相反，我超爱吃甜食。
我血糖偏高，所以得注意。
哦，看来我也得控制控制自己，我也好不到哪里去。你等我一下，我这就去买喝的。
别急，慢慢来，我不赶时间。
注释 Notes. Gang. The Chinese word gang can be used in the following ways. Its usage is based on the context. Gang plus verb means just in English. 他刚吃完饭. She just finished eating. 刚 plus 才 means just now in English. 我刚才看到小李在讲电话. just now saw Lee talking on the phone. 刚刚 means a short while ago. 他刚刚把碗碟洗干净. She just finished cleaning the bowls and dishes a short while ago. 刚 plus 好 means just happened to. 我刚好有2张戏票. I just happen to have 2 movie tickets. 不太 plus I plus verb. The structure 不太 plus I plus verb in Chinese is used to describe a person who is reluctant or lack enthusiasm to perform a certain action. 不太 here means not very or not to. I means to love or like. 玛丽不太爱说话. Mary does not talk much. Means Mary doesn't really like to talk. 恰恰相反. This Chinese phrase means exactly the opposite or just the opposite. It is used to indicate a complete reversal or contradiction of a previous statement, situation, or expectation. 我不能吃辣. I can't eat spicy food. 我和你恰恰相反. 我无辣不欢. I'm exactly the opposite of you. I can't live without it. 好不到哪里去. The phrase 好不到哪里去 is used to express that something or someone is not good or not up to a certain level of standard. 这家餐厅的饮食 好不到哪里去。The food of this restaurant is far from good.
欢迎光临，想喝点什么？
来2杯普通咖啡。
大杯、中杯还是小杯的？
一杯大，一杯小。
还有别的吗？
没有，就这些。
咖啡是内用还是外带？咖啡是内用还是带走？
外带。
咖啡要加奶吗？
大杯的不要，小杯的帮我加豆奶。
加豆奶是要额外收费的，可以吗？
行。请问这里有外卖吗？
有的。你要点外卖的话，请拨打我们的热线电话。
太好了。热线号是几号呢
1234567。
好的，我记下来了。
你要的咖啡好了，一共是12块，付现金还是刷卡？
刷卡。请给我小票。刷卡。请给我收据。
好的，谢谢你，请下次再来。
练习 Use 刚才 to make a sentence. 他刚走出家门。他刚走出家门。你刚才睡觉的时候，玛丽来电话了。你刚才睡觉的时候，玛丽来电话了。练习 Use 刚好 and 不太 plus I to make a sentence. 钱包里刚好有零钱。钱包里刚好有零钱。我不太爱看恐怖电影。我不太爱看恐怖电影。希望你们喜欢今天的视频，我们下星期见。